strap on. This has to be one of the most incoherent. Please accept my advance apology.
Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is not a telethon. This is not a telethon. We don't need to tell each other anything.
So, on the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine.
Real good.
Right.
And that would just, I don't know if that was the cocaine or what, but it felt pretty good.
How good did it feel? When you say good, in what sense?
Look, if I told you how good it felt, we'd have to stop this interview and take photographs. Real good.
Right. So, did you say, I heard,